Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen game changer. Imagine replacing 9 different kitchen appliances with just one incredible device. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and so much more, saving you counter space and endless hassle. With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking delicious meals like ribs, soups, or even cakes is as simple as pressing a button. This means less time cooking and more time enjoying your food and family, perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, easy cleanup, and will last for years to come. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or buy the best multi-cooker of 2025, this is it. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Check out the link in the description below to purchase yours on Amazon. No more cluttered counters or complicated recipes. The Instant Pot Duo Plus truly simplifies meal prep. This Instant Pot is an absolute must-have for any modern kitchen, and I highly recommend it.